Hello friends, welcome to Learning Point. Our today's topic is operating system. So, what is operating system? An operating system is an interface between computer user and computer hardware. An operating system is a software that enables applications to interact with a computer's hardware. So, what is a ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम यूजर और कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर को इंटरफेस प्रोवाइड करता है। ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ही है जो एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर को हार्डवेयर के साथ इंटरेक्ट करने के लिए, कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए इनेबल करता है, एलो करता है। इट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स मैनेज सिस्टम्स हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर्स. It performs basic tasks like file management, memory management, input-output handling, and controlling peripheral device. Operating system कंप्यूटर से रिलेटेड, कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर हार्डवेयर से रिलेटेड जितने भी टास्क होते हैं उन सारे टास्क को ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम हैंडल करता है। ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम एक सेट ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स है जो हर टास्क को Operating system is a set of programs. It has separate programs for each task. In architecture of operating system, here three components: user, software, and hardware. So user are those who requiring hardware, who want to access hardware, and hardware are those who works for user. Here operating system is software which is work as intermediary, which is providing interface, which is responsible for interaction and communication between user and hardware. So the real time example of this architecture can be taken as, like, suppose in company there are number of employees. Here number of employees and number of jobs, and the boss who is providing jobs to employee, who is assigning job to employees. Operating system is also works as boss between user and hardware. It also provides user hardware to do their work. Here a question arises that why we are using operating system? What will happen when we not use operating system? So suppose we have users and devices, and when any user want to access any device, they have to write a program to direct access any device. And in case of operating system, we don't have to write a program, because operating system itself a set of programs for managing tasks, for doing task of system. Suppose user 1 using printer. At that time user 2 also want to access use printer, but user 2 have to wait until the user 1 release this printer. But if user 1 not release this printer for infinite time, and there is deadlock occur, because there is no authorization, no intermediary who access printer from user 1 and give to user 2, provide to user 2. So operating system work as intermediary. It have authorization to access device and allocate device to another. Now functions of operating system. The primary work of operating system is to provide interface between user and hardware. Here are some key concepts, some functions of operating system which operating system done, like memory management, process management, device management, file management, resource allocation, handling I/O operations, security and privacy also. These concepts, these functions of operating system we will see in another video. There are various types of operating system. These operating system are categorized based on their type of working. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम बहुत टाइप के हैं और वो अलग अलग तरीके से काम करते हैं। वो जॉब्स को किस तरह से हैंडल करते हैं, मेमोरी को किस तरह से हैंडल करते हैं, उस हिसाब से ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स को अलग अलग कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया गया है। लाइक मल्टीटास्किंग ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, मल्टी प्रोसेसिंग ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, मल्टी प्रोग्रामिंग ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, रियल टाइम ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, टाइम शेयरिंग ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, बैच ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, distributed operating system. These all type of operating system we will discuss in another video. Thank you.